Hey guys, what's up? It's Nathan here, back with another cooking video. Today we're going to be making some Millionaire Shortbread. So yeah, let's get into the ingredients. So you're going to need 200 grams of dark chocolate, 397 grams or 1 tin of condensed milk. We're using caramel condensed milk, but you can use plain. 55 grams of melted butter, a pan of water, 250 grams of shortbread biscuits, 150 grams of brown soft sugar, 150 grams of butter, and 55 grams of milk chocolate, or whatever chocolate you prefer. So the first step is to crush our shortbread biscuits. So we're going to get a plastic bag and we're going to put all of our biscuits inside of it. And then we're going to close up the bag. Make sure you leave a gap so it doesn't pop the bag. And then with a rolling pin, we're just going to smash it. Okay, mine's about done now, so we're going to add it to the bowl with 55 grams of melted butter. .55 grams of melted butter. I'm just going to mix that together until it's all coated. So we've been mixing for a couple of minutes, and now it's all nice and coated, ready to transfer into our lined dish. We've just lined this with some baking paper, and we're just going to pour it in. Try and spread it out nice and evenly. Like that. And now we're just going to shake it so it gets to all the corners. And then we're going to smash it down with the rolling pin to get it nice and flat together. So now it's nice and flat. It's ready for the fridge to chill for 20 minutes. So now we're going to combine the remaining butter and the light brown sugar. Now let's go over to the stove. So we're going to stir this over a medium heat until all of this is melted and nice and smooth. Remember to stir continuously so none of the sugar burns. So I've switched over to a wooden spoon just because the spatula's handle was too small. So now we're going to stir in the condensed milk until it's boiling. Okay, so it's started to thicken, so now we're going to pour it on our base. So now we're going to leave it to cool for 10 to 15 minutes and then we're going to put it in the fridge to set. So now we're going to melt the chocolate to go on the top. So now we're going to pour this into our base and the mixture once it's solidified. So first we're going to pour our dark chocolate on. Just pour it on and we're going to spread it out. So now we're going to spread it out by moving it different ways. We're going to use our spatula. If you don't have one of these, you could just use a spoon and just spread it out through each corner. Okay, just like that. So now we're going to add on a lighter colour. This could be milk or white chocolate. And we're going to use a cocktail stick. And we're just going to spoon some of the milk or the white chocolate on. Spread it out. Just dripping it across. And then we're going to get our cocktail stick and we're just going to do lines down to make a nice effect. So the Millionaire Shortbread's been in the fridge for about 3 hours and it's nice and set. So now we've just got a knife in some boiling water on the hob so it's nice and hot. But this is the tricky part, so watch carefully. So we've cut them now, as you saw, and they were quite hard to cut, but it's worth it. It's worth your hard work. So if you want to store these in the fridge, they can stay in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe, as well as turn on post notifications so you never miss another video.